Can you believe we've actually got to the end of it? I'm really quite sad, actually. I felt the same when we got to the end of the Monteverdi Vespers project as well. Just this great sense of loss and grief almost. I know that sounds very dramatic, but if you knew how many hours of work Miranda and I put into preparing these projects, I'm sure you can guess, but I can confirm it is many, many hours of work of pre-production, post-production especially, and it just starts to really get into our souls when we're doing this. So to think that we're on the last live session is rather sad. But anyway, a huge warm welcome to you all as we prepare to look at the final movement, the Liberame. So we're going to do some hissing to get the breathing going, because it is so good just to settle the air and get it moving forward. So taking a lovely deep breath into a soft tummy through the nose. And then let's hiss for 10. Ready? Breathe in. And hiss. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. That one's fairly easy, isn't it? So this time, see if you can widen the chest. Breathe into the back if you can as well. So you're filling this whole torso area with air. And we'll take it all the way to 25. Ready? Here we go. And in. And hiss. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Brilliant. And then to get the core connected, hands on tummy, please. We're going to do the FT. So take it away. Off you go. So let's do a nice resonant E-vowel warm-up. So it goes like this. You try. Big breath. Good. Carry on, everyone. Good. Yeah, well done. Good. Now there's lots of beautiful plain chant in this, and I've just encouraged all voices to take part. I should like to take each plain chant first before we do anything else, just to get acclimatized. And we've got to put a breath in the right place, and we got to underline the syllables, which we are going to make a little bit longer than just a single beat, so to speak. So let's look at the first one, De Morte Eterna. You're going to keep na of eterna going a little bit longer and take a breath at that moment. And then at the end of that line of plain song, you'll sing da, ah, 2 long notes to end. Let's sing it together. Ready? And De morte eterna in die illa tremenda. Now, a little bit lower, bar 11, quando cieli. It's quite a robust moment, everyone, please. You've got the forte already written. And when you get to the words, movendi sunt. We're just going to separate them ever so slightly, not completely. So slight accents. Movendi sunt, movendi sunt. Just chant that with me. Ready? And one. Movendi sunt, movendi sunt. That's right. Some of you got two crotchets on sunt. Make them both short if you have. If you've got a minim, then of course keep it a bit longer. Carry on with the next plain song. Yes, really good, really good. Now let's turn to the Kyrie, the final exclamation in this wonderful piece, and we've made it really quite loud and joyful. I think that's the way it should be here, personally, anyway. So the problem is, of course, they're all white notes. They're all really difficult to sing loudly without getting stuck. So keep in mind, really, really big breaths. Take more breaths if you need. That's really important. Don't be trying to do it one per part. Try to do it imagining you've got your colleagues around you. And when you get to those final chords, keep the air moving. If you've got air left, that is, just keep it moving. Now, looking ahead to bar 9, just take a look at that, please. We're on the end of the word Kyrie, Cantus 1 and Cantus 2. It doesn't look much on the page, but you've just got an amazing moment there. It's fantastic. And do you know what's most fantastic about it? It's the B naturals then turning into B flats. Enjoy, everyone. Sing your hearts out, please. I think let's give each other and you all a round of applause. Well done, everyone. Very good. Very good indeed. Thanks again for all your support.